How to add inventory items. To add a new item to the inventory, click the Add Item button. The new inventory item window will appear. Select from the options as to whether the item is one that you sell only, including physical and service items, one that you buy only, or one that you both sell and buy. Sell details. Sell details are only active if sell only or sell by items types are selected. Type in a unique sell code for the product. If you type a code that is already there, you will receive a message asking you for a new code when you click on Save. Record the description, up to 250 characters, that you want to generally appear on your invoices in the Sell Description box. Select the Sell Tax code to allocate the correct tax type to the product. Note that the description, sell tax code, and sell price can be changed for individual invoices where the standard option does not apply. Record the sell price excluding tax. If you are using different customer types, record the sell price for each customer type. Please note, there is no need to record a price for a service item that will form part of a composite list of items with one overall price at the end of the list. Buy details. If you have selected Buy, Sell, then as you record your sell information, the buy code and buy description code duplicate what has been entered. Change these as required. For example, the buy code should match the item number of your main supplier. Record the current buy price. Record the supplier code. This is not mandatory in the buy section, as sometimes the same item may be purchased from one or more suppliers. However, selecting the supplier code will match the buy code to a supplier to make it easier when you are creating purchase orders and recording invoices from suppliers. Quantities. Quantities only apply if you want to track inventory levels for an item. For such items, the opening quantity and value needs to be recorded for accurate reporting. To track inventory levels on an item, click on the Track Inventory checkbox. Click on the Opening Inventory button. Record the initial value date. This is the date from which you are commencing to track inventory. See Inventory Tracking for more details. Record the initial quantity on hand for this item. Record either the average cost per item or the total value of opening inventory. The alternative field will calculate for you. Click Close. Record the recorder level for this item if you have one. Record the standard recorder quantity for this item. Click on Save to save and exit, or Save and New to save this item and add another. How to modify inventory items. To modify an item's details, including adjusting stock levels and pricing, select the item from the inventory list and click the Modify Item button. The Quantities section now has a Current Inventory button instead of Opening Inventory, as well as on-hand information for any items that are tracked. Sometime your inventory will require manual adjustment, for example, because of loss, theft, or breakage. You can adjust the amount shown by clicking on the Adjust button and entering the amount in the box provided. The current inventory value summarizes the quantity on hand and value of inventory on hand at any time. It will include the opening inventory plus any transactions that have occurred since the opening inventory date. Click Close to return to the inventory item. To start tracking an inventory item, click on the Track Inventory checkbox. Click on the Current Inventory button, then on Opening Inventory, and record the opening quantity and value. Click on Close to return to the current inventory value, and close again to return to the Edit Inventory Item page. Make the required changes and click the Save button, or click the Cancel button to exit without saving changes. The sell and/or buy code must still be unique. How to delete an item. Select the item from the list and click the Delete Item button. You will be prompted if you are sure you wish to delete the item. Click Yes to do so. The item and all its details, including stock levels, will be permanently deleted. This will not affect previous saved invoices.